If you're a fan of Star Wars, The Mandalorian, you definitely need to see this. Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Now this is massive today, calling all Star Wars, specifically the Mandalorian fans out there. We are unboxing the silver miniature. This is 150 grams of silver in antique finish, and I have to tell you, it does not disappoint. Now, it's awesome because you have the Star Wars The Mandalorian packaging that comes with it. This is housed, of course, very nicely. You've got that extra security foam there to protect this miniature, and it's absolutely amazing. The detail that has gone into this, it is absolutely amazing. Let's get our hands on it now and take a closer look. This is, of course, Din Djarin in his signature Beskar armor. Just fantastic. And you've got that blaster in his hand. I love how they've got the cape at the back sort of flowing in the wind. Really, really nice. It's just a phenomenal 3D sculpture and a super piece for any fans of The Mandalorian out there. This has a limited mintage of 1,000 pieces. Let's get a closer look here at the engraving on the bottom of the piece. Of course, there you can see New Zealand mint. It is, of course, from the first series of The Mandalorian. Licensed product for Lucasfilm, of course, and 3/9 silver. Now, it's awesome because each of these miniatures are numbered. Really, really nice. And this whole piece is done in antique finish. So it's really cool. Really, really cool. Let me just show you the detail in this. This is what I'm talking about. Every part of this, the work that's gone into it is absolutely wonderful. It's really outstanding. Just phenomenal. And as I said before, that cape, really, that is the standout for me. Just to give the impression that it's flowing in the wind. You could picture Din Djarin just walking through the sand somewhere. Amazing. Now the height of this is around 8 centimeters. So it's quite big, really. There you can get a better look at the blaster. And of course, his small friend in his bag, Grogu. Really, really cool. It's phenomenal. So as you can see, it's not just coins or bars that we do here at EMK. These miniatures are also available, and the New Zealand Mint has actually produced others for the Star Wars series, and they are all available on our website. That's www.emk.com. Really, really cool.